हाय बच्चों, आप लोगों का स्वागत है जेई फिजिक्स मेड इजी यूट्यूब चैनल के अंदर। ठीक है, तो इस क्लास में हम डिस्कस करने वाला है एक्सपेक्टेड मॉडल क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम सेकंड चैप्टर यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट्स 2.7 फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स। तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा। कोई क्वेश्चंस है, कोई क्वेश्चन क्वेरी है तो आप लोग कमेंट में पूछ सकते हैं। बेल आइकन भी दबा दीजिएगा, जैसा वीडियो अपलोड होते ही आपके पास पहुंच जाएगा। ठीक है, अभी कॉन्सेप्ट्स डिस्कस करेंगे। पहले सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स बोले तो क्या है। तो इन एनी नंबर सपोज 234 is there, so in this first two digits are certain and this is the third digit is the uncertainty. Okay, so significant figures will be all the digits which are certain plus one uncertain digit will be added. That is the significant figures. So in this, how many significant figures are there? 3 significant figures are there. Okay, 3 significant figures are there. ठीक है, तो some rules are there. Rules for writing significant figures. So rules for writing significant figures. So first rule is all zeros in between non-zero digits are significant. That means suppose 203, this zero is significant. So 3 significant figures are there. Okay. And all non-zero numbers are significant. Numbers are significant. Okay. Then third one is trailing zeros are insignificant. That means suppose 2000 is there. In this only one significant figure is there. These are trailing zeros. Okay. And in decimals 00 to 3 0 is there. Suppose these three are insignificant. They won't be counted in significant figures, but this 0 is significant. Okay. So in decimal numbers, left side of the number, if zeros are there, they are insignificant. And right side of the number, non-zero digit is there, then right side of that number is significant. So in this, how many significant figures are there? 3 significant figures. Okay. So these are the rules actually. Suppose if you are writing 1.3 meter, if you are changing into centimeters, this will become 130 centimeters. Okay, suppose if I am writing and this is 1300 mm. Okay. Suppose 1.30 meter is there. Even if I am converting 130 centimeters, 3 digits are there, here 3 digits are there. Okay. But here 1300 millimeter is there. So actually in this number also this is not significant. These 2 digits are significant. From the trailing zeros are insignificant. So here 2 significant figures, here 3 significant figures. So conversion should not change the significant figures. समझ में आ रहा है ना बेटा? ठीक है, तो अभी बता दीजिएगा इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा. We have to write it in scientific notation. In scientific notation you can write 1.30 meter. This one you can write 1.30 into 10 square centimeter. This you can write 1.30 into 10 cube mm. So in these significant figures, in each one is 10 power is not important for us, power of 10, but we are interested in this base number. This number, whatever maybe the significant figures are there, that is important for us. This is known as scientific notation. Okay, this is important. If scientific notation, if they didn't used, then this rule will prevail. If they didn't write any scientific notation, this trailing zeros are insignificant rule will prevail. If in scientific notation, if they write the number, this is the rule. Okay. So now let us check. Now let us check from these rules one problem. Okay. The respective number of significant figures for the numbers 23.023, 0.003 and 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 are. See here, 5 digits are there. So 5 is the significant figures. Okay, here these zeros are insignificant and this zero is insignificant. So first one is 23.023, 5 significant figures. Question 1, ठीक. Then second one is 0.003. These are insignificant, so one significant figure. Then another number is, in scientific notation, it is 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Only 2 significant figures. That's all. So what is the answer? 5, 1, 2. B is the option. Okay. So this is the way you have to solve the problems. Okay. So rule is over. Now in addition and multiplication, some rules are there. In addition or subtraction, you have to consider, suppose 2.3, 2.26 like this. Okay, suppose when you are adding these two, in the final result, आपको ये करना पड़ेगा, least decimal जो है उसी का least decimal formula, least decimals, that is the formula for addition or subtraction. Number of least decimal figures you have to consider. Okay, so अगर ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो ये 6 है, ये 5, ये 4 है, 4.56 है. ठीक है, सो इसको राउंड ऑफ करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट अस लर्न फर्स्ट राउंड ऑफ द फिगर्स. सो राउंड ऑफ द फिगर्स, सपोज 2.35 है, इसको 5 को ड्रॉप करना है. ठीक है, सपोज 2.36 है, 2.36 मीन्स 6 को ड्रॉप करना. इफ इट इज मोर देन 5, ग्रेटर देन 5, जस्ट इंक्रीज द बिफोर नंबर 2.4, ड्रॉप इट. सपोज लेस देन 5, 2.34, then it will be 2.3 only. Just drop the number without increasing the number. Now suppose if another number is there, 2.345, 2.335. Okay, now you need to drop 5. Suppose if you are interested in dropping the 5 last number, so if it is equal to 5, if you are dropping the number of 5 before number is even, then just write like that only. If you are dropping the number before the preceding number is suppose odd number, then odd, then it will increase one number. That's all. Remember, these three rules are there in rounding of the figures. Okay, rounding of the numbers otherwise. Okay, one number, if one figure if you want to drop, then you need to follow this rule. Here you need to drop this. So because final number should have only one decimal place. Here you got two decimal places. So drop this by rounding off. So 4.6 is the final result. Okay. So in the result, the least number of decimal किसका है तो उसका उतना ही रखना है एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में. ठीक है. तो this is one rule. And second rule is multiplication or division. Multiplication or division. In this, what is the rule is, suppose 23 into 4 if you are multiplying. Suppose how much is this? 12, 92. So what happens is here least number of significant figures. Least number of least significant figures किसका है तो उतना ही significant figures रखना है finally. So this one will become 90. Drop the 2, 90 it will become. So only one significant figure it should have. That is the rule in multiplication or division. Okay. इतना याद रख लो. ये दोनों rules है. Least number of decimals we have to keep in additional subtraction. Least number of significant figures we have to keep in multiplication or division. Okay. Okay. And one more thing you need to learn is its scientific notation. A into 10 to the power of b. If a greater than 5, then order of magnitude of this number will be b plus 1. If a is less than 5, okay, then order of magnitude will be b only. Remember this way. If any number is given in terms of this a into 10 to the power of b, if a is greater than 5, then it is b plus 1, means a will become 10 to the power of set b plus 1 हो जाएगा. अगर a less than 5 है तो you can just drop, okay, then order of magnitude will be b. Okay. Area of a square is 5.29 centimeter square. The area of 7 such squares taking into account the significant figures is. Generally, any number, this number have so many significant figures because this is a number. Okay. So given area is having only 3 significant figures. So in multiplication, the least number of significant figures we have to consider. 37.03 we got while multiplication. But only 3 significant figures we have to consider. We can drop 3, so 37.0 is the answer. So without doing this calculation also, this is having 3 significant figures. Whichever is having 3 significant figures, you take that answer. That's it. This is having different, this is having different, this is different, this is different, and this is having only 3. All 4 are different values are given, so directly you can 3 significant figures without doing any calculation in the examination. That is easiest way. Okay. The diameter and height of a cylinder are measured by a meter scale to be 12.6 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter and 34.2 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter respectively. What will be the value of its volume in appropriate significant figures? Actually, what is the volume formula? Question 3 answer. This is question 2. Without doing any calculation also, you can write pi r square h, that is pi into d by 2 square into h, that is pi into d square by 4 into h. And In error analysis, delta V by V is equal to 2 into delta D by D plus delta H by H is the formula. Okay, in this error analysis, volume you can send this way and you can get cross multiplication or delta V also you can calculate. So he is giving finally the values in centimeter cube volume and the error in volume. So volume you are going to send this way. So naturally delta V is equal to 2 into delta D by D plus delta H by H into volume. This is the formula for finding the volume of error in the volume. And directly this is the formula for volume. But anyhow, this much calculations you can't do in the examination hall. The shortest method is anyhow it is multiplication or division rule. So directly least significant figures. Okay, least significant figures says how much? 3 significant figures in this, 3 significant figures in this. So final answer should have only 3 significant figures in the volume. This is 4 significant figures, this is 3, this is 2 only, this is 5. So this should be the answer. Okay, and this is only 1 significant figure. So here answer is also having 1 significant figure. That's right. So see, in the examination hall you should do in the shortcut method. So directly apply the rule, options देखो, आंसर कर दो, हो जाएगा काम. ठीक है. Thank you very much. See you. Bye in the next video.